Homeowners affected by the massive flooding in June now have less than 1 week to apply for FEMA or SBA assistance. And so far, FEMA has distributed $2.5 million to Montanans in need. 2 months have now passed since June's historic floods. And while much of the damage has been cleaned up, property owners are still dealing with some big headaches.
A lot of people who have been affected by the flooding, they want to talk to someone in person and get face-to-face help.
Tony Main is with FEMA, which has received 832 registrations for flood assistance so far in Montana, spread out across Park, Yellowstone, Carbon, and Stillwater counties. That's amounted to $2.5 million in aid, but time is running out. The deadline to apply for assistance is next Monday.
We want to make sure everyone that needs that assistance has the opportunity to get the vital assistance they need to help recover from this flooding.
Not all applications are accepted, and Maine says there's generally a reason for that.
No specific dollar amount. If you were affected by the flooding, come see us, come talk to us through FEMA. We're not saying you got to have X amount of dollars of damage.
And many times, the reason can be chalked up to needing proof of ownership or a rental agreement. You can also appeal a decision and have 60 days to do so. And the SBA is also set up to assist in a disaster situation.
During presidentially declared disasters, the U.S. Small Business Administration provides low interest rate loans for homeowners and renters, as well as businesses of all sizes and most private nonprofits.
Utilizing an SBA loan doesn't disqualify an applicant from FEMA assistance, though, and SBA loans can even be used to pay off credit card debt that may have been accrued during the disaster.
Homeowners can be eligible for up to $200,000 for uncompensated damage, and people with personal property could be eligible for up to $40,000, and businesses can be eligible for up to $1 million, and that includes working capital, so economic injury.
I just want everyone here in Montana to know that we're happy to be here to assist with your recovery from this flooding. But if you've been affected, if you're not one of the 832 people that have come register through FEMA, please, please, please come see us. Come register with us if you need that assistance.
In Billings, Phil Van Pelt, MTN News.